Think your Houston house can't sell in 7 days? Think again. Alright, first-time sellers, let's get real about pricing. If your price is too high, your home will sit. Too low, and you leave money on the table. Here's how to hit that sweet spot and get that sold sign up in just 7 days. Step 1. Check out your competition. Look up similar homes in your neighborhood that sold in the last 90 days. Focus on size, condition, and location, not just wishful thinking. Next, put your buyer hat on. What would you pay for your home if you were the buyer? Be honest, and maybe a little ruthless. Now don't ignore the market. Is it hot, cold, or just right? In a hot market, you might price a bit above comps. In a slow one, aim just below to stand out. Here's the secret sauce. Price your home just a major price threshold. If most homes are $310K, try $299,900. You'll pop up in more searches and catch more eyeballs. Finally, be ready to adjust fast. If you don't get offers in the first few days, tweak your price. The first week is when buyers are most interested, don't waste it. So, study the comps, think like a buyer, watch the market, get clever with your price, and stay flexible. That's how you sell your Houston home in just 7 days. Ready to move that for sale sign to sold? You've got this.